Let us begin with the chapter adverbs. Now, what adverbs are? Adverbs govern adjectives or verbs. They tell us more about verbs, adjectives or other adverbs. Okay. Now see, there are let's do this exercise. Underline the words that tell you how, where and when actions are being performed. How is the action performed, where it is performed and when it is performed. Sudha cooks well. How? Well. My friend looks sad. How does he look? Sad. Are you coming tomorrow? When? Tomorrow. Lina's aunt is sitting inside. Where she is sitting? Inside. The children are playing upstairs. Where they are playing? Upstairs. Talk softly when you are at doctor's. How you should talk? Softly. So these words are adverbs. They are governing verbs, adjectives or other adverbs. Okay. Now let's see. Adverbs are classified on the basis of information they provide. These are the types of adverbs: manner, time, place, degree and frequency, right? Manner answers the question how. Time, when. Place, where. Degree, how much, to what degree. That means to what extent an action is performed, how beautifully, like that. See, frequency means how often. Okay. Now let's look at the examples. Manner. Neeli sang nervously. How did she sing? Nervously. She was nervous while singing. Okay. She agreed to do this happily. In what manner she agreed? Happily. Time. Come tomorrow. Tomorrow, today, day afterwards, afterwards, before. All these are time. Place. Baby is sleeping inside. Inside, it's a place. Outside, inside, in, out, these are places. You know that, right? Degree. Hema writes very beautifully. How she is writing? Very beautifully, right? This very word is itself adverb. It is qualifying further an adverb. Okay? To what degree? Ravish is walking quite happily. Frequency, that means how often a particular action or something is repeated. What is the frequency of the repetition? I always spend some time reading. She rarely has free time. Adverbs of time and frequency are often confused. She came to meet me yesterday. This is time. She seldom comes to meet me. This is frequency. Adverbs of time strictly talk about when something happens, while adverbs of frequency talk about how frequently or infrequently something happens. If something is happening once a week, twice a week, this is frequency. Okay. See, all these words are adverb. Fast, hard, joyfully, well, early. Not all adverbs end in ly. Okay, you can't say fastly, right? There are some ways in which adverbs are formed. Ly added to adjectives. Sweet, sweetly, honest, honestly, like that. Honest officer. This is adjective. But honestly, he works honestly, that is adverb. How he works honestly. Unique word. Good, well. Deepu is a good dancer. Deepu dances well. Okay, so you can understand the difference between adjective and adverb. Adjective qualifies noun and adverb qualifies verbs, adjectives or adverbs. Okay. Same as adjective. Hard, hard, fast, fast, early, early. He is an early riser. He rises early. There is difference. Now, early riser. Early word is qualifying word noun, riser, right? And here in the second sentence, early is qualifying this verb. He rises how? He rises early. He rises when? He rises early, like that. There is link in the description if you want to practice more.